You can start from this position. You can lower your handlebars. You want about 1.5 to 2 inches of space. Just don't have it all the way down as low. When it's all the way down, it tightens the brakes and then they won't freewheel behind you. But about 1.5 is sufficient. Then you'll come down here to the lever clamp, open that. You'll put this back on, but for now, lower your handlebars. As you do, twist. Your brake levers should clear your battery. Your cables should be up out of the way. There's a little bit of play that's going to happen here, but it won't hurt anything. Then put your seat assembly back on, lock it into position, and you are set to start rolling. This will go forward, back. Me, I'm 5'6". I personally would like it to be a little higher, so I would recommend adding a strap or something that you could grab and pull. If you're a little bit shorter and this is comfortable, great, but a strap may be an option for you. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call or email us. Thanks.